Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Scum fatal error crash. So guys, first thing that you need to do is go to the start menu and go for percent app data percent. From here guys, just click on it. Then after that guys, go to the app data over here. And then from here guys, go to the local. And from here, just find the Scum. And from the Scum, go to the save. And from here, guys, delete save files. And now, guys, after you deleted it, go ahead and go to the Steam. And then from here, go to the library. And from here, guys, you should be able to see your game over here. But as of now, I don't have it downloaded yet. But let's say Call of Duty is the game Scum. So from here, just right click on it, guys, and go to the properties. And after that, go to the installed files. And once you click on the installed files, guys, just click on verify integrity of game files. And then from there, you'll be able to fix the error in Scum. And guys, the second option that you have is update your drivers or update your graphic cards. And from there, guys, you will be able to fix the issue on the game Scum. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya!